Good afternoon. We have been discussing structure determination of morphine. In the last video, we done physical properties and isolation of morphine, nitrogen function and double bond equivalence. In this video, the continuation of the past video, oxygen function and number of stereoisomers, unsaturation. So first let us see morphine structure. Morphine have 5 rings, we already know. First ring is looks like this is a benzene ring, second ring and third ring, and fourth ring is a ether linkage, and fifth ring with nitrogen as a tertiary nitrogen, OH and OH. Numbering we have to take like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 have unsaturation, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Morphine molecular formula C17H19NO3. In this video we will discuss first oxygen nature and nature of oxygen. Morphine when treated with benzoyl chloride, morphine molecular formula C17H19NO3. Morphine when treated with benzyl chloride or acetyl chloride. Benzyl chloride PHC double bond OCl in presence of NaOH, basic condition, or acyl chloride or acetyl chloride CHC double bond OCl in presence of pyridine. We get dibenzoyl morphine in the first reaction, dibenzoyl morphine. In the second one, diacetyl morphine. The two reactions gives information about morphine have 2 OH groups. Due to having 2 OH groups, morphine treated with 2 moles of benzoyl chloride result dibenzoyl morphine, and next 2 moles of acetyl chloride result 2 acetyl chloride. In this morphine structure we have 2 OH groups. First OH group is looks like a phenolic, second OH group is looks like alcoholic, secondary alcohol. This is looks like a secondary alcohol because of the OH group is directly attached to saturated ring. But in the first ring is looks like a benzene ring. Benzene ring have a OH that is considered to take phenolic. First OH is a phenolic, second OH is secondary alcoholic. These 2 OH groups when treated with 2 moles of phenyl chloride result dibenzoyl morphine plus HCl. Simply hydrogen is replaced with PHC double bond O. And second one also, when 2 OH groups treated with acetyl, 2 acetyl chlorides result diacetyl morphine and 2 HCl. According to these 2 equations, morphine have 2 OH groups. Next, morphine dissolved in aqueous NaOH, and morphine reacted with a neutral FeCl3. These 2 reactions are suggested morphine have phenolic OH. So, but we have a confusion. Morphine have both phenolic OH or one OH phenolic looks one OH secondary alcohol. So that confusion is clarified with the help of second reaction. That reaction is reaction with dimethyl sulfate. When morphine treated with C17H19NO3, morphine treated with dimethyl sulfate result Codyne is takes place. Codyne. We already know codyne structure. So this is a benzene ring. The OH is converted into OCH3. Then second ring is looks like this is a second ring, and this is a third ring. Third ring have secondary alcoholic, and this is the fourth ring. Fifth ring is NCH3, and this is looks like this is a codyne. Codyne morphine difference is only OH, phenolic OH and OCH3 difference. So this is anisole form, this is a phenol form. Codyne is coming from morphine when treated with dimethyl sulfate. So dimethyl sulfate treated with only phenolic. So codyne have one OCH3, one OH. The reaction is clearly indicating that morphine have one phenolic group, and the second one is secondary alcohol. So the secondary alcohol group is indicated by with the help of a reaction. The reaction is codyne undergoes oxidation. Codyne undergoes oxidation. Result codenone. We already know codyne difference is OCH3 as it is. Codyne have a OH group, codenone have a C double bond O. Simply OH is converted into double bond O. So OH when converted into double bond O, resulting compound is said to be codenone. So that clearly indicating OH group undergoes oxidation. So only primary and secondary OH groups are eligible to oxidize the result carbonyl compound. So it clearly indicating OH when converted into double bond O, simply that OH is looks like secondary alcoholic group. So that information is clearly indicated by codyne undergoes oxidation reaction, result codenone. So codyne converted into codenone nothing but C double bond O. So that is clearly indicating morphine have one phenolic group and one alcoholic group. So this is oxygen nature. Next let us see unsaturation. Now let us see unsaturation. From double bond equivalence from DBE we get 9 indicating 5 rings plus 4 double bonds. Morphine C17 H19 NO3. Morphine when reacted with H2 by Ni. Simply morphine when reacted with hydrogen, that reaction is said to be hydrogenation. So reduction result C17 H21 NO3. Simply 2 hydrogens are added to morphine. So this is a morphine. Morphine is simply converted into dihydromorphine. So the formation of dihydromorphine is indicating that morphine have one double bond. The one double bond is capable to convert dihydro form. So, but according to DBE, morphine have 4 double bonds, but one double bond only converted into saturation. Remaining 3 double bonds in the form of phenolic form. So that is clearly indicating this is a phenolic form of a first ring. Second ring is looks like third ring, and a fourth ring. This is a OH unsaturation, and fifth ring is looks like a tertiary nitrogen. The double bond only converted into saturation, nothing but dihydromorphine formation. Remaining the benzene ring nothing but a phenolic form, does not undergoes reduction in presence of H2. So, and the next reaction suggested reaction with the bromine, Br2 gives rise to bromo derivative. Bromo nothing but dibromo derivative. So this is also clearly indicating that morphine have only one double bond. One double bond is capable to convert either a reduction reaction or a reaction with bromine. So remaining three double bonds present in the form of a benzene ring nothing but in the form of phenol, that is not capable to undergo reduction reaction or bromination reaction. Next let us see stereochemistry. Before we are going to discuss stereochemistry, simply morphine when undergoes a distillation process. Distillation means distillation in presence of zinc. Distillation in presence of zinc dust result phenanthrene plus other base. The reaction suggested morphine have a phenanthrene ring. That phenanthrene ring looks like these three rings. 1, 2, 3 rings looks like a phenanthrene. 1, 2, 3. Morphine have a phenanthrene skeleton. So that is indicated by morphine when undergoes a zinc dust in the distillation process result phenanthrene and base. Next let us see stereochemistry. Now we have to calculate number of stereoisomers with the help of number of chiral centers. So numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Number of carbon atoms in morphine is 17. Now let me calculate number of asymmetric or chiral centers in morphine is first chiral center, fifth carbon atom. Fifth carbon atom, first chiral center. Second one is a sixth. Third one is a ninth. Fourth one is a 10th. And next one 15th. In morphine structure, number of asymmetric carbons are C5, C6, C9, C10 and C14. Number of asymmetric carbons are 5. According to this, we can calculate number of stereoisomers. Number of stereoisomers formula 2 to the power of n, where n is equal to number of chiral centers. So we get 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32 isomers. Morphine have 32 stereoisomers, but two main stereoisomers of codeine is first one is codeine, second one is isocodeine. We already know morphine codeine difference is simply the OH group is converted into OCH3. Phenolic OH group is converted into OCH3. Remaining structure is the same as to morphine like. This is a neutral oxygen. Next OH group present at dotted line and hydrogen is presented thick line. Thick line dotted line means nearer to the observer. Thick line indicating nearer to the observer, dotted line indicating away from the observer. This is a codeine. And next isocodeine is looks like isocodeine. Oxygen OCH3. Here thick line have OH group nearer to the observer, away from the observer is hydrogen. This is isocodeine. Structure determination of morphine is completed. Morphine physical properties, isolation of morphine means separation of morphine. Next double bond equivalence, nitrogen function, oxygen function, unsaturation, and find out of skeleton structure, morphine have a phenanthrene skeleton, and finally stereochemistry, number of stereoisomers, and stereoisomerism, main stereoisomerism. This is a total structure determination of morphine. In the next video we will discuss structure determination of reserpine.